Alright, so burnt myself again, right as I was ending the last video there. So what we're going to do, we're going to load this. So we got one in. I mean, she's clinking and clanking, sounds so good. We're going to see what happens here. Set the second one in. Place. It's amazing how many things on this old Mercedes that can actually be repaired. Like, just, there's no way somebody's going to be repairing this kind of stuff on these newer Benzes, I don't think. Look at that. Okay. I'd say that looks pretty dang good. I wish I had some pictures of what it looked like when I started, but I wasn't really thinking about this would be that cool. So we're going to take and lubricate a couple different things. We're going to lubricate down in here. Just we're going to lubricate that because it's a spinning shaft. We're going to just put a little coating of oil on here. It's like a Molly marine grease is what I'm using here, and I just got a little syringe applicator that I like to use. Makes you look important, I guess, when you're doing it. So first we're going to lubricate down in there. And I don't see this being a problem with any of the electronics or anything, or the electrical whatever. I mean, it's got to spin forever, so let's expect there to be some kind of lubrication. Alright, so now what we're going to do is just right up the middle here. Just putting a little coating on this rust. And nothing weird, just a little. I think it'd be a good idea, just enough that you don't really ever worry about it. You just know it's got some grease on it, whatever, it's rusting, it'll rust, all metal rusts. Okay, go ahead and take this rag and we're going to run on these magnets, make sure they're nice and clean. They actually are. Okay. And then we'll go this last one. Ooh, that one's kind of dirty. Okay. Ooh, that one's really dirty. I don't want to put anything on that. I don't know if you should. I really don't know if you should or not, but so here's the core of this, and it looks really good. I don't really know so much of what I'm looking at here, but I mean, there's no corrosion. That's not corrosion. I think it's just like solder. And they pushed it through. It doesn't seem like it's any corrosion anyway. I'm gonna take there's a couple spots here that look concerning, like right over here looks kind of funky. I just scraped this stuff off. I'm going to take this electric cleaner, electronic cleaner, and just kind of spray up in there. It evaporates really fast. And then I got a brush. It's just soft bristle. No, it's like a nylon brush, I guess. I'm thinking just run it around. Just nothing weird. Enough that that's all cleaned up in there. It's very dirty. Do it one more time. Damn. Okay. So maybe this is part of the problem that made it ultimately fail anyway. Let's go in here. So apparently that outside ring isn't supposed to be black. That's kind of what I'm figuring out here. I'll take a little bit of rubbing alcohol. Let's see if I can't. Yep. Damn. Even after that, it's pretty gross. It's like a lock. Spring kind of clip there. It's pretty cool, considering how old this is. So we're gonna run one more Q-tip around there. No gunk and grime and whatnot. And one more time here. Well, once I do that. Alright, so now what we're gonna do. This thing looks fucking awesome. Just gonna. I don't think that really even means anything, because this thing's been spinning for hundreds of years. For 30 years, I don't think these need to be cleaned, because they're going to be in that magnet field. Okay, last step. I'm going to let that dry for a second. I am going to go grab another Miller Lite, and we're going to lubricate this when I get back, and then we'll drop this thing into the house. I'm really excited to see how it fits. I'm pretty excited about it. Actually, I'm going to go show my wife and family here what they think about it. They probably don't care, but my son thought this was a fusion core out of a Fallout power armor, which was pretty badass. So we're raising a good one, I guess. Alright, I'll be right back.